Everyone, and today we'll be making this simple origami rose designed by Anna Kaslunga. And since a lot of you guys had trouble following my other tutorial on a paper origami rose, I decided to make another one, and this time this is much simpler, so you guys should have less trouble following it. So we start with a square sheet of paper and we fold it diagonally in half. And you're gonna do it both ways, so here and now here. Now you're gonna flip the paper and fold it in half vertically. And from the top to bottom. Now you're gonna flip it once again and take the sides here and bring them towards the bottom. After that, flatten the top, and you should end up with a triangle shape like that. So now you're gonna take the top corner and bring it towards the middle of the bottom edge here, and you find the middle where the center crease meets the bottom. So just follow that guideline and make another crease here. Okay, so now you're gonna flip the paper and you're gonna lift one layer of paper from the bottom like that. And what we're gonna do now is flatten the sides here, and you do that by opening the paper here and bringing the paper to the sides like that, and then flatten the paper here and make two additional creases. And you want to make sure that this triangle is even. So the way you do that is make sure that the center point here meets with the sort of this middle here. Okay, so again, take the paper, bring it to the sides and flatten like that. Okay, so now you're gonna flip the model over and you're gonna put that flap in an upright position like that. So now you're gonna take your top right corner and flip it sort of to the other side and making a new crease here, and the crease is like here. So what we just did is we take that, flip it, and make a crease. And you're gonna do the same thing at the bottom left corner. Take it and flip it here. So, and you should end up with a star shape like this one. And it looks like that from the sides. So now we're gonna work with each four sides of that star. So turn it sideways and look at the triangle here. Sort of just open it a little, and we're gonna work with that triangle one at a time. So what you're gonna do now is take the top corner, fold it towards the middle point where all the creases meet here, and make them meet and fold. And now you're going to make an additional crease along the side of that triangle here, as you can see. So making that crease, and now we're done with one side, and you're going to do that on all four sides. So turn over, repeat the same step here, fold to the middle, make additional crease along the side. Now the third section. Crease on the side. Okay, so the fourth section, before you do that, you're going to make sure that your model is sort of basically you're going to make sure that your model is flat and it's sort of like concave, so one side is going to be, it's basically curved towards that point, as you can see here. So, and now we're going to do the last side here, which is a little harder, but make that final crease here. And here. So now you should have some, okay, so now you should have something like that, and it looks like that from the bottom. So all you have to do now is just twist your rose a little bit more, and I usually, if your rose is bigger, you can just take your 4 fingers, grab that centerpiece here with 4 fingers, and just twist it, and you need to apply quite a bit of force, especially if the paper is thicker, just so that the rose holds its shape. Twisting multiple times, and this is your final rose ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if certain steps were not clear, make sure to ask in the comments. I'll do my best to explain it. And other than that, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments down below. See you guys next time.